Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide sheets and Excel. Okay, so before we start I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, this is I'm on my Excel and this is my demo data. Okay, you can see I am working with many Excel sheet. Okay, so here I am working this main sheet. If I rename it, I main sheet. Okay, and this sheet I will remain the working. So if you are working in drop down menu and anything, so you have to have next working sheet which where you put your data like list and also for the drop down. Okay, so here you can see I have working two sheet more than two sheets. So here I can hide the sheet from Excel. If I don't want to show to others, or if you want to, it's like professional only one sheet, so I can hide the sheet. So as in order to hide the spreadsheet in Excel, so simply click on this sheet which you want to hide, and just right click and click on hide. Okay, so this sheet will be hide from here, but you still use the data in order uh, in in order to, if you're using the drop down list and all. Okay, so this is not visible to you and others, but you can use it as a like drop down list and all. Okay, so many people's hide the sheet like which where they work like background work. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for